Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Lebanon. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Lebanon is classified as a developing upper-middle income economy. Lebanon is primarily driven by banking, real estate, oil refining, metal fabrication, jewelry, food processing, and the manufacturing of chemical products. The tourism industry in Lebanon accounts for approximately 10% of the country's GDP. Forex trading has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as new traders continue to enter the markets, beginner traders should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Lebanon and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Lebanon. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 4 on our list is Octa FX. Octa FX is an online broker that was established in 2011 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use Octa FX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. Octa FX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with Octa FX. Coming in at number 3, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard, premium, and professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provide their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. At number 2 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Lebanon, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own Trader Workstation platform, as well as IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts, to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Lebanon on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.